Retro Tuesdays.
Spicy realities to another episode of Living the SetApart Unapologetically on Lecture Tuesdays.
Living the SetApart unapologetically. Living the SetApart unapologetically. Living the SetApart unapologetically.
You don't have to prove yourself to anybody. You don't have to prove yourself to anybody. You don't have to prove yourself to anybody. Just be it. Just live it. You don't have to prove yourself to anybody. You don't have to prove yourself to anybody. You don't have to prove yourself to anybody. Just live it. Just be it. Just live it. Just be it. Just be it. Live it. Just live it and become it. You don't have to prove yourself to anybody. You don't have to prove yourself to anybody. You don't have to prove yourself to anybody. Just be it. Just live it. You don't have to prove yourself to anybody. You don't have to prove yourself to anybody. You don't have to prove yourself to anybody. Just live it. Just be it. Just live it. Just be it. Just be it. Live it. Just live it and become it. You don't have to prove yourself to anybody. You don't have to prove yourself to anybody. You don't have to prove yourself to anybody. Just be it. Just live it. You don't have to prove yourself to anybody. You don't have to prove yourself to anybody. You don't have to prove yourself to anybody. Just live it. Just be it. Just live it. Just be it. Just be it. Live it. Just live it and become it. You don't have to prove yourself to anybody. You don't have to prove yourself to anybody. You don't have to prove yourself to anybody. Just be it. Just live it. You don't have to prove